we go, guys. We're gonna do Nikki's hair. Look at this long hair. Okay, this is long, but we are gonna angle that. Hardcore angles. Are you ready, Nick?
I think I'm ready.
I think? Oh no, I have to hear you say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am. Let's do this.
Okay, good.
So when did you hit 100,000?
I hit 100,000 a while ago. Now I'm at 228,000 on YouTube followers.
Congratulations.
Thank you. All right, Nikki, I'm just going to bring Cole forward.
Alrighty.
That's what we do. Bridge of the nose. And Nikki, this is just a great shag. It's not the wolf haircut, just so you know that in that picture. It's just a great layered haircut.
Okay.
I think this is a perfect haircut for your hair, actually.
Well, that's good. I have good taste and good hair for it.
Yes.
But yeah, it's been like very, very frizzy, a little bit out of control freely. So I figured it's about time. It's also, down to shoulder length.
Yeah.
Give you the truth, I don't trust anyone with my hair besides you.
Thank you. And how old are you?
20.
Okay.
Gonna be 21 next
Hear
year.
that? You get them young so they trust you forever. Now we're going to go back here. So I am putting some wolf haircut techniques in there, so it's going to be fun and just playful and gorgeous. Gorgeous, Nikki, gorgeous. See all those beautiful, all those beautiful pieces. Oh, I'm going to bring gorgeous. I love that. for the wolf haircut. See all these little pieces like crazy?
Right there?
Nice and goofy. That's a great little haircut. And now let's go this side. And come up. I'm just gonna push it back and have. Make sure. Just wanted to show.